Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. Ernest Storm here, back in action. It is actually January 1st, 2021. So starting off the year right. And the trail that I'm taking today has brought me to Codfish Falls. It's out by Auburn, California. Pretty excited about checking this trail out. Seems pretty easy so far. It's only 1.7 miles or so. So yeah, let's see what it's all about. I'm hoping that there is still water flowing because it is January. So has been a lot of rain out here. So I'm kind of guessing that there might not be anything really to check out, but still a cool trail. Got to get out and about, you know? So I hope you guys enjoy this trail adventure. Let's rock and roll, baby. Before we get started, I got 2 trail tips for you guys. Number A, make sure that your vehicle has sufficient clearance, maybe some kind of SUV, good truck, because this trail is crazy unmaintained on the second half. First it's paved, then it's crazy unmaintained. Trail tip number B, as demonstrated in this footage here, as you can see, is very limited parking, so keep that in mind. There's about 6 vehicles here, and beyond that, it's a no parking sign, so make sure you come early in the day. First come, first serve. And if you cross the bridge, there is a porta potty there for those who need to use the restroom. So just a little bonus tip here for you guys. Sorry to disappoint you guys, but this trail will not have a trail beer with it. Figure I'd take a break. But yeah, so no beer segment today, guys. On the next one though, better stay tuned, because believe you me, got a lot of places to visit, lots of beers to try. 2021. Stay tuned. Trust me, it only gets better. Alrighty guys, so finally made it to the waterfall. I'm stoked on this waterfall. It's so nice. I did not think that there was going to be this much water flowing. Yeah, super stoked for January. I can't wait to see what it looked like in mid-January, maybe February, March. Once the rains start coming down, I bet this is gorgeous, more than it already is. But definitely scope out Codfish Waterfall. It's a winner in my book. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the scenery. Can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Until then, happy trails, everybody. See ya.